All right, so in this equation, we're going to solve for x, and it's really just being able to know how to deal with rational expressions. So we're going to start off by subtracting 2 from each side, and then that's going to leave us with 3 on the right, and on the left, we're going to distribute that negative sign to the numerator just to keep this a little easier to work with. So we're going to have -1 all over 1/3 minus 1 over 1/4 minus 1 over x. Let me fix the right side first, and let's save a step by combining these two fractions here by making them both have the same denominator of 4x. To make this 4x, you need to multiply it by x over x. To make this 4x, you got to multiply by 4 over 4. Then you're going to have just one fraction where 4x is the denominator, and the numerator you're going to have 1 times x, or x minus 4. All right, the next step then, we're going to combine, or let's first simplify this fraction here. And it's really just using the division by fractions when we multiply a fraction by its reciprocal. So this becomes 1 over 1, or just 1 times the reciprocal of this. So let me first write the rest so I don't confuse you all. The -1, 1/3. So this becomes 4x over 1 over 1, or sorry, 4x over x minus 4. And times 1 over 1, it's the same thing. That's why I'm not going to write 1 over 1, because we all know that 1 over 1 doesn't change anything. Now we're going to combine these two fractions. Now we're going to make them both have a numerator of 3 times x minus 4. So then let's write this over here. So if we want this numerator, or I'm sorry, if we want this denominator to be 3 times x minus 4, we're going to need to multiply this by x minus 4 over x minus 4. So we're going to have x minus 4 on the left, minus, and then this 4x we need to multiply by 3. So we're going to have 4x times 3. Now let's clean this up. So remember, this is all equal to 3. So we get -1 all over, and we get x minus 4 minus 12x. So x minus 4 minus 12x. All over 3x minus 12. All equal to 3. Simplifying the left side, we get -1 over x minus 12x, or -11x minus 4, all over 3x minus 12, equal to 3. And then again, we're going to multiply this, or we're going to multiply these two fractions. -1 is the same as -1 over 1, by multiplying -1 over 1 by the reciprocal of this. So we're going to have -1 over 1 times 3x minus 12 over -11x minus 4. So we're just flipping this one essentially, since this is negative. X minus 12 over -11x minus 4 is equal to 3. Now this negative symbol, we can just, take care of it by just multiplying the right by negative. Now we're gonna get 3x minus 12 all over negative 11x minus 4 equal to negative 3. Now let's cancel out this denominator by multiplying the negative 3 by it. So we're going to multiply this side by negative 11x minus 4. And it really cancels out because when you multiply this by that, you're essentially multiplying this side by that as well. So I can write it out if you want to see it. And that obviously is going to cancel itself out. So sometimes we don't waste our time writing that. Distributing that, we're going to get 3x minus 12 equal to 33x plus 12, distributing the negative 3. Taking away 3x from each side. We get negative 12 is 30x plus 12. Taking away the 12 from each side. We're going to get negative 24 equal to 30x. And then we divide by negative 24. Oh, no, sorry. Whoops, I'm not dividing by negative 24. Looking at this whiteout. Just kidding. Dividing by 30 is what I meant to write. Then we'll get this simplified as negative 4/5 equal to x. And there you go. So I hope that helps. Let me know if there's any clearing up or any tips you have for improving this problem. And make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.